Hi friends, today I'm making a soft and silly bamboo toy launcher. With you, we will go slow, be safe, and have fun. Here's what we need. A short, smooth bamboo tube, about the size of your hand, a big rubber band, tape, a small cloth, a small paper cup, soft pom-poms. Grown-ups, you can find helpful photos and clips on pexels.com. Step 1. Check the bamboo. Is it smooth? Touch it gently. If it's scratchy, a grown-up sands it. Step 2. Make the soft cup. Take the little cup. Tape the rubber band around the rim. Stretchy, but not too tight. Step 3. Put the cup on the end of the bamboo. Wrap tape around to hold it snug. Tap, tap. Nice and cozy. Step 4. Let's practice safely. Put a laundry basket on the floor. Drop one fluffy pom-pom into the cup. Point the bamboo down toward the basket. Pull the rubber band back a tiny bit. 3, 2, 1. Pop. Soft and gentle. Did it fly into the basket? Yay! Remember, only soft pom-poms. No rocks, no hard toys. Let's count launches together. 1, 2, 3. Great job, Builder. When we're done, we clean up. Pom-poms in a bag. Launcher on a shelf. Hands washed. I'm proud of you. You listened, you were gentle, and you built something fun. For more cozy making time, you can look for friendly pictures and videos on pexels.com. Bye-bye, friends. See you next time for another soft and safe make together.